Hello friends, welcome to another installment of Tony Z Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about my favorite tool, one of them. It's called the Guided Upright tool, and it is used for fixing your verticals in real estate and architecture photography. It's a really fast, super simple, easy way to do it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to zoom into the picture a bit, then click here on this guided button, boom, and I'm going to create a line across the verticals that are warped. Just drag it down on one side, move over to the other side of the house, do it again here, and magically Lightroom is going to fix those verticals for us. Just like that. Boom. Look at that. So now our verticals are correct, but we also have to fix the horizontals for the 1-point perspectives like this. Got to get everything nice and straight and find a line that you know that's straight up on the top there, and boom. Now the house is really super straight, and that is what you want for real estate and architecture photography. Now this is what it would look like before, and now. That was so fast. Love it. Let's do it again with this photo. Zoom in to the side. Sometimes you can do auto and it will work. It didn't work that time though. So we'll trace along the side of the house there. I like to zoom in because it gives you more accuracy, but you can see we're doing that, and boom, we're straight again. We don't have to fix the horizontals there because we're on the side, so let's see. That wasn't quite right, so let me fix it. There we go. I think that's better. So let's turn it off, on, looks way better. There's actually blogs written that say you shouldn't charge for real estate photography if your verticals aren't correct. So it's really important to do that, and it's just as important to do it on the interiors as it is on the exteriors. So we'll do this this kitchen shot here. Just like with the exterior, find the warp lines near the edges and use the guided tool to straighten them out in Lightroom. Pretty simple. There's lots of other ways to do it, obviously. In Photoshop, I think you can use the warp tool, but this is a really quick and easy way to do it, and so it's one of my favorites. Thanks for watching.